Dear children, today let's do exercise 3.7, optional exercise. Question number 4. The statement is, the students of a class are made to stand in rows. If 3 students are extra in a row, there would be 1 row less. And if 3 students are less in a row, there would be 2 rows more. Find the number of students in the class. Children, look this question very carefully. Very important question it is. Let us suppose the number of students in one row are x and total number of rows are y. Now you know, in case if in one row number of students are x, so in y rows total number of students will be x into y, that is xy. So xy is the total number of students. So total number of students are xy. Clear? Now come to case 1. First line. If 3 students are extra in a row, there would be 1 row less. 3 students extra, 1 row less. 3 students extra, 1 row less. Number of students were x, 3 extra, x plus 3, row is y, 1 row less, so y minus 1. This is in new case 3 students extra, 1 row less. So when you take the product, it will be total number of students, and total number of students will remain the same. This is the same question type which you have done yesterday, in which you have taken the distance of the train when the time is taken more, speed is less, and time less, speed more. This question is also same. Yesterday in that question distance remains same. Here number of students remains same. Whether the rows are increased or rows are decreased, but number of students in the class will remain same. Clear? Multiply it. X into y, xy, minus x into 1, x, plus 3 into y, 3y, minus 3 is equal to xy. Xy cut, minus x plus 3y, this 3 will go to that side, is equal to 3. This is equation 1. Come to the second case. Second case. If 3 students are less in a row, there would be 2 rows more. 3 students less, rows 2 more. 2 rows more, right? Students less. Students are x, 3 less, means x minus 3, right? Rows are y, rows become 2 more, means y plus 2. So this is total number of students, and total number of students remains same, that is xy only, which you have taken earlier. Now you spread it. X into y, xy, plus 2x, minus 3y, minus 6 is equal to xy. Xy cut, 2x minus 3y is equal to, this come out to be 6. First equation was this, second equation is this. Clear? From these two equations also you can take, here also you could cut, then it come out to be x is equal to 9. From here also you can do, but by chance I have taken x coefficient same. Here also you can do. Okay, take 2, multiply it by 2, minus 2x plus 6y is equal to 6, and this is 2x minus 3y is equal to 6. Cut, 3y is equal to 12, y is equal to 4. Put y is equal to 4 in any of these equation. I am putting in this equation. Put y is equal to 4, minus x plus 12 is equal to 3. 12 will go to that side. Minus x is equal to 3 minus 12, that is minus 9. Minus cut, x is equal to 9. In case if you don't make the coefficient of x same, this was x plus minus x plus 3y is equal to 3. it is 2x minus 3y is equal to 6. Cut. Minus 2x minus x plus 2x, it is x is equal to 9. Now put x is equal to 9 in any of the equation. Minus x plus 3y is equal to 3. Minus 9 plus 3y is equal to 3. 3y is equal to 3 plus 9, that is 12. Y is equal to 12 upon 3, that is 4. This is also correct. This is also correct. Same. Clear? Now come to question number 5. Oh, sorry. If you are supposed to find here total number of students, total number of students are xy. X is 9. Y you have got 4. 9 into 4, 36. So total number of students are 36. Clear? Now come to question number 5. This relation is given to you and you have to find value of angle A, angle B and angle C. Here children, what you do, you can take these two, you can take these two, you can take these two. Any of the two quantities, identities, you will correlate them, you will develop the connection between them, and then you will find the value of angle A, B and C. So there is variety of solutions. I am doing one out of this one. I am doing angle C is equal to, I am taking twice of angle A plus B. Now you know angle C is equal to thrice of angle B. In place of angle C, I am writing thrice of angle B is equal to, open it, twice of A plus twice of B. Take this twice of B to that side. 3B minus 2B, it will be 1B is equal to twice of angle A. So twice of angle A is equal to 1 time angle B. Clear? Now you know this is a case of a triangle, and in triangle angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. You know angle A is angle B by 2 plus angle B, and angle C was thrice of angle B, it is given, is equal to 180. Take 2 LCM, angle B plus twice of angle B plus 6 times angle B is equal to 180. This is 9 of angle B is upon 2 is equal to 180. 2 will go up, 9 will come down. So angle B will come out to be 40 degree. Clear? Now you have to find angle A and angle C also. Clear? You know angle A is equal to, angle B was twice of angle A, right? So angle A will be angle B upon 2. Angle B you have taken 40 degree upon 2, it come out to be 20 degree. Similarly, angle C is equal to thrice of angle B. Angle B you have taken 40 degree. So 3 into 40 degree, it come out to be 120 degree. So is it clear to you, beta? Now come to question number 7. In question number 7, in first, second, third and fourth part, instead of the numerical coefficients, the coefficients are also they are given in alphabet. They are like 2, 3, 2x, 3x. In this way it is not given px, qy, ax, ay, like numerical coefficients are alphabets. So in these questions also, it is up to you whether you use elimination method or cross multiplication method. It is up to you. Look at the statement is given this, and I am using elimination method for this question. I will show you both, right? See carefully. First, I want to make the coefficient of x same. To make the coefficient x same, here you will have to multiply by q, and here you will have to multiply by p, so that if you multiply by q, it become qp. If you multiply by p, it become pq. qp, pq, same thing, right? So what we will do, we will multiply this equation by q and this equation by p. Look, q multiply by p, it come out to be qp x, qpx. First I am multiplying, then I will show you there. Plus q into qy, it will come out to be q square y is equal to q into p, it come out to be qp minus q into q, it come out to be q square, right? Similarly, here you multiply by p, p into q, pqx minus p into py, p square y is equal to p into p, p square plus p into q, pq. This whole product I have written like this. Now we will do subtraction. When we subtract, we change the sign. This is plus, it will become minus. This is minus, become plus. This is plus, become minus. This is plus, become minus. It will cut. Q square y plus p square y. What I am doing here, beta, I am taking y common. It become q square plus p square is equal to, here look, pq, this is minus pq. They will cut. What will be left? Minus q square minus p square. I am taking both from minus common. So what will be left? P square positive inside plus q square, because minus of both I have taken out common. Clear? So what y will be? This complete term upon q square plus p square. This q square plus p square and this q square plus p square will be cut. So what, by cutting we will get only 1. So answer y will be minus, this minus 1. Clear? Now put value of y in the original equation. You can put here also, you can put here also. This you know very well. I am putting in first equation. Equation is px plus qy is equal to p minus q. Px plus q, in place of y you will put minus 1 is equal to p minus q. Px, this come out to be minus q is equal to p minus q. This minus q go to that side, become plus q. Plus q and minus q cut. Px is equal to p, x is equal to 1. So your answer is x is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 1. Clear? Now come to the second part. This is the statement of the second part. Here I am using cross multiplication method also, right? By elimination also I will show you. I am doing here cross multiplication also, so that you can know about it. These questions can be done by any of the method. Sometime, like if you want to do here substitution method, it might be possible that may be difficult for you. So you choose the easiest one. Whatever you feel the easy, you go with that, right? I am using here cross multiplication method. For cross multiplication method, I will bring this to this side, it become minus c. This to this side, it become minus 1 plus c equal to 0. Now you know in cross multiplication method, you know this rule 2, 3, 1, 2. This rule we use. 2 means second this, then third, then first, then second. We write column wise second coefficients, third coefficients, first coefficients, then second coefficient. So you will write like this: BA, BA, minus C, minus 1 plus C, minus C, minus 1 plus C. Then 1, AB, AB. Then 2, BA, BA. Clear? 2, 3, 1, 2. Second, third, first, and then second. You write in this way. Here are under the coefficient of x, because this mean it is in the form of variable y, it is x, it is y, and here nothing means 1. Nothing means 1. Right? X, y, and 1. You know how to cross multiply. First you multiply this by this, then minus sign, this product of downward minus product of upward. So b into minus 1 plus c minus b into 1 plus c, then product b minus sign, then product of this. So this product is minus ac, minus and this minus, they become plus. Minus which come in the formula and the minus which come with the product, both will become positive, plus ac. Clear? Equal to y, this is under y, this is under x, this is under y, and this is under 1. Now come to for y. Minus bc, minus bc, then minus sign, okay, minus sign and product of these two. So minus the sign which come in between and this minus sign, they become plus into a 1 plus c. Clear? Is equal to 1 upon this a square minus this b square. This minus this, this minus this, this minus this, this minus this, so this minus and my in between minus, that become positive. This into minus this, again minus my sign and this minus, they become positive. And here a square minus, because here no minus sign is there, so minus b into b, b square. Clear? For taking out x, open it, you can open it also. X upon this is minus b minus bc plus ac equal to y upon this is minus bc plus a plus ac is equal to 1 upon a square minus b square. For finding out x, you have to compare this with the constant. For finding y, you have to compare this with the constant. So x is equal to this is equal to 1 upon a square minus b square. So this will go up, x will be this answer. Clear? Similarly for y, this equal to this will go up, this will go up. So y is equal to minus bc plus a plus ac upon a square minus b square. Is it clear? Same question I am doing by elimination method. Same question. Look, this is a statement. For making x coefficient same, multiply it by b, so that it become b. Multiply by its coefficient, multiply this by this coefficient. This equation multiplied by b, this equation multiplied by a. b into a, bax, b into by, b square y, b into c, bc, a into bx, abx, a into ay, a square y, a into 1 plus c, a into 1 plus c. Now change the sign, plus minus, plus it become minus, plus it become minus. Cut. Here in both the terms y is common, take y out, b square minus a square is equal to, this is bc. Now this minus sign is for both. I am opening also, because with minus sign, if outside minus sign is there, then both the terms will be changed, sign will be changed. It become minus a minus ac, minus a multiplied by 1 minus a, minus a multiplied by c minus ac. So bc minus a minus ac. So y will be, this will come down, this is your value of y. Now you have to find value of x. If you put this value of y here in this equation and you want to find value of x, it will become little bit difficult for you to solve. You can solve, but might be difficult. I tell you one easy way. Here you have made coefficient of x same. You can make coefficient of y also same. Look, I am doing this elimination only, but now I am doing it with easier method. Look, ax plus by, this is statement. Now I want to make y coefficient same. Earlier I made x coefficient same. X was cut. Now I am making y coefficient same. To make y coefficient same, we will multiply this by a and we will multiply this by b. So multiply whole equation by a, multiply this whole equation by b. A into a square x. A into by, aby. A into c, ac. Here b into bx, b square x, plus b into ay, bay, is equal to b into 1 plus c, b into 1 plus. Right? Now subtract. This is plus become minus, plus become minus, this is plus, sign will be changed. Now this will be cut. Clear? Now from these two terms, what is common? X is common. Inside what will be left? A square minus b square is equal to ac. Now just see, minus b multiplied by 1 minus b, minus b multiplied by c minus bc. Clear? Now we have to find value of x. So this will come down. Look, x will be ac minus b minus bc upon a square minus b square. Is it clear, beta? I have done this question with elimination method also, with cross multiplication method also. So you can do both the methods, any of the method. Thank you.